Hey guys, welcome back. So, lately, while playing Township and just trying to keep my town running smoothly, I kept seeing people talk about this method that supposedly gives you a bunch of cash and coins, like way more than usual. And a lot of people are saying it works super fast and doesn't really take much effort. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I should believe it or not. Stuff like that usually sounds a bit too good to be true. So I figured, why not just try it myself and see what actually happens? In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did, step by step, and then at the end, we'll take a look at the results together and see if it actually works or not. First thing I had to do was find my player ID, so I opened up Township, went into my profile settings, and it was right there. Pretty easy to spot. Once I found it, I just copied it and kept it saved for later. Took like a few seconds, nothing complicated at all. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work fine. Then I typed in the website that everyone's been mentioning. The page loaded without any issues, no weird pop ups or redirects right away. Everything looked pretty clean and simple to navigate. Then I went onto the site and just searched for Township, and it popped up right away, so I selected it from the list. After that, it asked for my device, so I chose Android. There was an iOS option there too. Then I pasted in my player ID, checked if everything looked right, and tapped continue. Up to this point, it was all super simple, nothing confusing at all. Now I had to choose how many resources I wanted. Since I was testing this properly, I went with one of the bigger amounts just to see if anything would actually happen. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading animations and progress bars. It definitely looked like something was going on, but of course, that doesn't always mean it's real. At the end, there was also a short verification step, which you usually see on sites like this. I already went through that earlier, so let's jump ahead and see what happened. This was the part I was most curious about. After I finished everything on the site, I went straight back into Township to check my town, and the extra cash and coins were already there. I didn't have to restart the game or wait or anything. They just showed up right away, which kind of surprised me. So, yeah, that was my experience. Now, you can decide for yourself if it's something you'd want to try or not. If you've tested anything like this before, drop a comment and let me know how it went for you. I'm actually curious. And if you enjoy these kinds of videos where I test stuff out, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.